Here's the man of the hour from the Blue Lock 11 team. That's right, it's Yoichi Isagi. Tell us, what are your thoughts on that amazing game?
I'm really happy, I guess. Yeah.
After today's stellar performance, joining the U20s is all but guaranteed. Where do you see yourself in the future?
I wonder, what is it that I want? The World Cup. To answer your question, Blue Lock will win the U20 World Cup. That's my goal. Actually, what I mean to say is, I promise you all, I will lead Japan at the World Cup and bring it back.